Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by clearing the sink and rinsing with warm water so the surface is wet, but not dripping. This helps the powder paste activate evenly. Sprinkle 1-2 tablespoons of bar keepers friend across the stained or dull area, keeping heavier coverage on rust or mineral rings. Once done, add a few drops of water to make a thin paste where needed, and use a soft wet sponge to spread it. This begins the gentle chemical and abrasive action that lifts grime. Now you'll scrub with a wet non-abrasive sponge or nylon pad, because stainless resists scratching but metal pads can harm the finish. Work in short circular motions, applying extra paste directly onto stubborn spots. This combines mild abrasion and oxalic chemistry to dissolve mineral deposits. Make sure to rinse the sponge frequently so you're moving grit away instead of across the steel. Once you've worked each area for 1 to 2 minutes and finish by rinsing the sink thoroughly with warm water until all powder is gone, then dry with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots. Drying also reveals remaining blemishes. For extra shine, buff a drop of olive oil or a stainless polish in the direction of the grain. If you see a white haze, repeat the paste briefly and rinse, or apply a little vinegar to mineral streaks to neutralize residue. Make sure to rinse again. If scratches appear, switch to a softer pad next time and avoid harsh scrubbing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.